Happy fucking Valentine's Day. Now, there's a few times a year when you have to take down your hardened layer of twisted plow steel and hardened ass sex appeal and show your lady you still have a heart that ain't completely fucking frozen. Now, this can be fucking a bit of a daunting task, but don't you fucking worry. Terry Fox's fat retarded cousin has your back. Now, you're gonna need more than just the Bill Cosby show here to do this legally. So this is what you're gonna need for the recipe for panty soup. You're gonna need some fucking mint chocolate bars here from the gas station. We call those chocolate bars in Canada, not candy bars. Some fancy fucking tin foil, some strawberries, and some of this shit from the house. The hardest thing to scavenge from the house actually is gonna be the pot. You're gonna wanna do this when the old lady's sleeping, kind of like sometimes when we fuck. But you're gonna wanna go ahead and get this while she's sleeping, because if she sees you sneaking in and out of the house trying to get her fucking nice, her nice cooking shit, she's gonna make you wear your ass for a fucking hat. Now you're probably asking yourself, why in the sweet flying tap dancing fucking Christ is he doing this shit in the shop? Well, the truth behind that is, I may or may not have lost my my kitchen rights or privileges, have you? After I may or may not have put a new shine on the 670 Truck Avenger Holly in the dishwasher, and ever since then, it's the kitchen's been a real touch and go subject in the old house. So we're gonna do her in the fucking shop, and I'm gonna show you stupid cunts how to get her done with what you got in the shop, because a fucking great man once said, "You gotta piss with the cock you got," and I'm gonna piss with the fucking short little fast ass pecker that I got. So you may be wondering, why go through all this shit? Why not go to the store and buy a fucking box of chocolates and some shitty old fucking roses? The truth of that is, if your dishwasher slash snowblower slash log debarker is anything like mine, she's earned a little fucking love. That fucking woman has seen some serious shit from me over the years. Like the time Manitoba Slims and I came home from fucking Princess Auto with $5,000 worth of I gotta have this shit. Or the 1,000 of the heinously foul turds she's cleaned out of my boys' drawers, and some out of my drawers. I'd say she's earned a little fucking love. So the way I see it, panty soup comes in 3 different ways. You either gotta have a fucking big ass wallet, a big ass dick, or you need to learn how to fucking cook. So if you're anything like me, only one of those is gonna work. Anyhow, you're probably fucking wondering, how in the sweet Christ is he gonna fucking heat this shit up? Well, you gotta use what you got in the shop, and this is what we fucking got. I'd say Grandpa's old fucking Tiger torch will do the job just fine. Oh, fuck yeah, it will. Fuck that stove in the house. That thing doesn't have the fucking BTUs this cock's got. My wife's gonna be fucking pissed after I roast her pot all the shit. But don't worry. We'll make up with that with a short dick and a fast ass. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I definitely fucking lube-tubed all the instructions on how to boil or melt chocolate without completely fucking melting it down, or burning it up, or whatever the fuck you wanna call it. And they say you're gonna need a thing called a double fucking boiler. And I googled that, and that looks like some fancy fucking contraption that only Donald Trump can afford. So, I'm gonna make one of my own, and it looked pretty fucking easy, but all I got is tin foil and the wife's stolen pot. But first, you gotta throw some water in the bottom of this cunt. Mint! Pro fucking professional looking. I'm like that Emerald fucking Lagodi or whatever the fuck his name is. Now we gotta just add some heat. They say you're gonna have to get this cunt up to a boil or some shit, but that's no fucking problem at all. Tiger Torch has got our back. Fucking mint. Wonder how much heat we can add to this thing before the old lady fucking loses it. Oh yeah. That's fucking mint. Now while you got some fucking minty BTUs sending through that motherfucker, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put on something that you haven't put on since fucking high school. Protection. We're not a bunch of greasy fucking slobs around here. We're gonna make sure shit doesn't get in the fucking mix. Now I'm not some racist fuck. So we're gonna use the white and brown. We gotta keep it PC here. But we're even gonna go more PC than regular, and we're gonna let brown go first. Now you're gonna wanna savagely rip into this fucking thing like Rosie O'Donnell and bust up your chocolates into little fucking bits here. I think. Now, I don't usually trust Frenchmen, but that fucking guy I watched on the lube tube said you gotta stir the fucking thing while it cooks, or else it'll burn and you'll look like a fucking asshole. So, do that while the cocksucker's warming up. I think this thing's supposed to be at like 7,000 fucking million degrees and boiling or whatever the fuck it is. So yeah, start stirring the prick while she boils. Holy sweet fuck, the Frenchman was right. That's working better than good. The mind boggles. I could not fucking believe that Frenchman was right. Must be the first time in fucking history the goddamn Frenchman gets something right. Oh, maybe them frogs can cook. Who knows? Don't get your fucking piss flaps in a bunch. I'm just fucking kidding around. So while you're making all this fancy shit, you're gonna wonder, what am I gonna put it in? At that very same gas station you bought all the fucking chocolate at, you can buy one of these fancy fucking heart things, but you're not gonna want to fucking give her this garbage. So what you're gonna want to do with that is shitty chocolates, meat garbage can. Fuck those things. So you got that fucking thing melted down like a 6-liter Ford after the EGR cooler fucking blows and the head gaskets take a hike. Open up your fucking fancy pants jar of gas station strawberries, and the ones that have hair on them, you're going to want to throw those ones to the side. Pick nothing but the fucking best and give them a fucking dirty dunk of the old chocolate. Panty fucking soup. And throw them on that fancy pants fucking paper that's right beside your grill index. And if you ever wondered how you got strawberries in the middle of fucking winter, in the middle of northern fucking Alberta, you're going to want to thank a truck driver. Mint. Fuck, at this point, I kind of want to fuck myself a little bit. That looks fucking mint. Jesus, fuck. Now, the best part about the fucking rigging that I designed here is that once you want to switch from the fucking brown over to the white, you just throw this whole fucking tinfoil mess in the goddamn garbage. Mint. That Frenchman had to fucking spend hours cleaning that goddamn pot. So now for the chocolate that doesn't have to sit at the back of the bus. I'm fucking kidding. Alright, now it's time for fucking stupid whitey to get melted down. Now, once in a while, you're going to want to really go ahead and just make time for your old lady. Because you know why? You honestly want to know why? Jerking off fucking sucks. So, you're going to want to go ahead, take fucking 15, 20 minutes out of your goddamn day, watch some greasy fucking frog tell you how to melt down chocolate. Go ahead, come into the shop, and fucking do it. And divorces are fucking expensive, man. You're not going to want to have one of those. Now that you got that fucking thing all heated up, you can shut off the old Hank Hill canister before you fucking blow yourself up. Head back over here and fucking start dunking old fucking strawberries into whitey. I don't know what them fucking chefs are always so pissed off about. This is pretty fucking easy. Look at this fucking fancy shit. Jesus fuck, I want to fuck myself now. I'm pretty fucking excited. I didn't even melt down the old lady's fucking pot. Mint. So you're going to want to go ahead and get her a fancy pants fucking card too. And write something real nice in it like, love you sugar tits. Life would suck ass without you. And if you want to be a smart ass, you can write a little thing on the back. And who the fuck would do the dishes? Mint. Now, if your wife's as minty as mine is, she's going to get humor like this. You're going to want to put a coupon in the old card. Yeah, you read that right. Fuck, am I ever romantic. Emerald Lagache, where the fuck your name is, Gordon Ramsay, shuck my fucking corn. That looks fucking mint. That right there is the recipe to panty fucking soup. Look at the job I did on that. Now, you're going to want to fucking give it to her with a personal touch. I would recommend a liberal application of duct tape to keep her from fucking falling apart. Some may call that Saskatchewan chrome. And you got to put your personal fucking touch on there. I don't know who the fuck Russell is, but Peg Stover. Now that's a minty fucking chocolates. So remember, you don't need a fucking fancy churched up kitchen or any of that other fucking garbage. All you need to do is watch some stupid fucking Frenchman jaw on for 15 minutes on LubeTube, fire up the old Tiger torch, and make some minty fucking shit for the old lady. And always remember, if the women don't find you handsome, you should at least have a 9-inch tongue and be able to breathe through your ears. Fucking mint.